Hi, welcome along to Barbecue Life UK, the only YouTube channel dedicated to the Aldi Kamado. And today we are doing caring for your Aldi Kamado part 1. We're going to be doing a part 2 in a few weeks, maybe a month or two time. But this video is for the brand new people that have just bought their Kamado this year, and it's a nice tip to keep your airflow up to help stabilise your temperatures. So stick around and you can see how to do it. So periodically you want to take out your fire ring that goes in the middle, so where all your charcoal sits, because around the outside of it you're going to get dust and small pieces of charcoal that fall out of these side edges. So periodically you're going to want to take out that fire bowl and then get all of this out, because this is going to affect your airflow. Where these have built up, this is where the holes are in the outside of the ceramic like fire basket thing. So this is stopping airflow from getting in. So you need to lift it out, obviously very carefully, and then you can clean all of this out. So I just use a dustpan and brush, put my dustpan underneath the hole, the vent hole, and just sweep it out. Once that's all out, it's going to massively improve airflow in your Kamado. Interaction is massively important when you're running a YouTube channel. So if you could just take the time to like this video, leave me a comment or subscribe, it would be very much appreciated. So as I say, airflow is massively important to be staying able to stabilise them temperatures within the Kamado. And if you have got them holes blocked or the area around them with dust, then you're going to have issues trying to get your temperatures up. So if you like what we're doing at Barbecue Life UK, then please do subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video and leave me a comment, and thank you very much for watching. Please check out my other AK cooks over here and subscribe over here. Cheers.